All right, guys, we're back here. We're on the GT. Remember I said in the previous video when we bought it that the rear end was humming? We never even bothered to find out why it's humming. We just said, screw it. We've got a good deal on a rear right here. This is a 373 rear is what we wanted. You know, it's an automatic, so 373s are going to help. So we're in the process of pulling this apart. And this isn't a how-to video. This is more or less a... this is what we're doing to this car. Let me get my light, a light. And here we go. So we're in here. I already lubed, coiled everything, all the bolts we need to take out. We're gonna rip them out real quick here. We got to disconnect the emergency brake though first. So we have to take some pictures of that. I'm not good with drum brakes. Granted, everyone else in the world does it easily, but I'm not that great with drums. But anyways, so here we go. We're going to take this apart and go from there. It's actually a pretty solid car underneath here. So that's a good thing. So let me get going on this and we'll update as we go along. And like I said, it's not a how-to. It's pretty much just, this is what we're doing to this car. You know, we got to take off the shocks. The quadrant sway bar comes off over here. You can see it inside the lower control arm. Lower control arm comes off. Two upper control arms come off. A distribution block for the brakes right there has to be disconnected. The springs will drop down. I don't know if I said the shocks come off. And the drive shaft comes out. And that's it. We're all set after that. And the thing will just drop down and we'll roll the new one underneath here and reverse the order. So let's see how she goes. So that's it for now. Bye-bye. All right, fellas, we got the rear out. Wasn't that difficult. We had a couple bolts out. Took us a good 20 minutes to get out because they were frozen into the sleeve of like the lower control arm bushings. But other than that, it went pretty smooth. Just to show you up here, this car is pretty solid. Okay, the exhaust may not be, but yeah, not bad at all. What's up?
By accident, I sent the fucking video. I sent a picture to that dude in Long Island.
Which guy?
The dude that we told him to keep the car.
Oh, fuck that guy, yeah.
I sent him a picture by accident. I thought I was talking to Lisa.
Anyway, so here we go. She looks pretty good. No complaints on this car. When this is New England, Connecticut, so it's really good when you get something that's not all rotted out or anything. All right, so there we go. So we're gonna go put the new rear end in now, and we'll go from there. We'll be back. All right, fellas, we got her just about done. Lou D's hooking up the e-brakes right now. Then I got to put a little bit of fluid in just to top it off. And I opened up this rear right here. To be honest with you, it don't look too bad in here. It looks like it's already got 373s. So I'm not finding anything out of the ordinary here. Everything looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing. Who knows if somebody, whoever set this rear up, just didn't set it. Watch out, it'll fall.
What's gonna fall?
That pinion keeps pushing it.
Hear it?
It's making noise. Maybe. Whoa.
Probably the axles are bad.
Yeah, could be bad bearings or something. I'm not sure. So anyways, that's where we're at right now. E-brakes are being a pain in the balls to hook up right now, but he'll get it. So we'll be back. Bye-bye. All right, guys, we're back. We got the 373 rear end. We're driving it around now. We had a heck of a time doing the e-brake and everything on this thing. Well, let's go. we go. She runs good, real good. Real happy with it. No complaints whatsoever at this thing. Let me turn around. All right. Burnout time?
Mm-hmm.
One more. Yeah, so what we're coming to conclude is these aren't 373 rear gears in this thing. We thought we got a set of them, but no, I guess not. But that's all right. The other rear was blown. I don't know. It was making all kinds of noise, and so, what are you gonna do? It is what it is. So at least we're up and running. We're driving good. E-brake works now. Everything's good. Next project, what are we doing, Lou? You think we should paint this thing or what?
Yeah, I'll probably paint it up.
Yeah, so we'll paint her up next time, and we'll go from there. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.